he had the same shirt as me.
We are ready to rock out with our socks out. We don't have to sneak in this year. We're sneaking in, but we don't sneak in.
Hello. Hey, how's it going?
You're here. You guys are so, oh my God, right here, right here, right here. I love you guys. There's someone back there. Oh, oh, oh. Hey, hi. You guys are gonna go forward to the white tent. You'll get your wristbands and everything, and we'll let you go in and play. I love the car.
Thank you.
Have a good day, guys.
Yeah, you too. This is what I love about LS Fest. They're way nicer than we are. I think I'm a nice guy, but they're all so like inviting. Yeah. I feel like I'm the asshole every time. I'm home. I'm trying to be strong right now. I wasn't expecting that right off the bat.
Not everyone could afford a Rotary, you know.
It's not a Ford. He chose that life. Let's go talk to him. Hey guys.
There's no Rotary in there. That's what you're looking for.
Let's just see it. Can I see it? Can I please see it? We get right in and this
you have insurance, right?
Oh my God,
I know. At least you have the nice intake manifold. I'll give you that one.
Don't even give him that. Don't give him that.
This is what reliability looks like.
He's run out of money for the Rotary? Is that what you thought? This is nice. He has a nice tub.
We've lost him. We've already lost him. They got him. They got him right off the bat.
How much power do you make?
It made 450 up cat.
I did that on a weekday. It started up.
Yeah, I started.
Thank you.
He's messing with me. It's gonna wrap. Even though we're in enemy territory, this is what made the 4-rotor possible. This is their fuel system with the twin brushless pumps. This whole setup is just what works. Works so well.
This is one of my favorite things about American parts and just older American people in general. They're always like, yeah, I got some hookers on my car, baby. I'm like, hey, I fuck with that.
Here's the real heartbreak. My friends at Hoonigan. That's some bullshit. This hurts. This hurts. We're gonna learn more about what's going on with that thing.
Oh, here we go. We got another one with the Tiger Woods outfit. I like that. I like that. Look at that. Look at that leather belt. Look at that. Champs?
Oh man.
You doing push-ups and champs?
The t-shirt right now.
He's gonna win. I'm just saying, boys. I'm just saying.
Yo, it's Rob.
What the heck? It's Rob Dahm.
Rob Dahm with the dad.
These damn masks.
Yo, you better not have brought your Rotary back here again with your dad. Oh my God, it's Rob Dahm.
Rob
Dahm.
I thought you were somebody's dad.
What is that?
I know. Well, that's an RX-7, but it has a proper.
That's what
engine.
happens when God blesses a Mazda.
I know.
No.
Get down. Rob
Challenge
Dahm,
everyone.
he snuck up on us
Oh
with
my
his
God,
golf
with the
attire.
dad core.
Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. He has to come in some type of costume.
If Rob doesn't win, him and I are going to Outback for bloomin'
If he
onions
shows
after
his
this.
face-
Damn.
Down.
No, Rob Dahlm's fading. Rob Dahlm's fading. Rob Dahlm's out.
Damn, champ. You did your best. You did your best.
This is another year Rob Dahm has trolled. Does Bill Tishner know you're here? Does he know what you're doing? Like, this is not fake. This is like Rob Dahm literally showed up to LS Fest with a non-LS powered vehicle. And he's back again with the ultimate DAC. That's why I identified. I didn't even recognize my boy here. What's going on, Rob Dahm?
I'm just trying to catch my breath. Other than that, you know, I just believe that R in RX-7 stands for Rotary, and gosh darn, I want to defend that as long as I can. So we got some crazy things in store, and I'm getting ready for it. And even as soon as next week, getting ready for some fun stuff. Why? Why must they do this? These are supposed to be friends. That hurts. It's just so wrong.
It's hard to put into words how bad this is.
It's like if you're gonna go through all that effort, I mean, I get it though. There are a lot of shops you can't trust with rotaries, and you have to end up being absolutely obsessed with rotaries to make it comparable. And it is more expensive, to be honest. But a third gen, an FD, is the car that to me embodies rotary. So this is wrong. FC, I'll give them a pass. It's an older car. It's just a chassis to many people. But there's, I don't know.
Who would do this?
I know.
Who? Why?
It's like Legos. It's an easy building block done.
It's tough being broke. I understand, guys. It's LS is for cheap people. You want to make cheap horsepower, you buy a cheap engine. I get it, but just don't put it in such a beautiful car. Like this is, he didn't deserve this. He's been fine his whole life. It's been 25 years, and then
it is now our time to shine. Finally getting her unloaded, and we knew what we were walking into. We were walking into a trap, but I can't say we have something up our sleeves. We have nothing up our sleeves for a different car. We're still gonna do our best to represent the rotary world here at LS Fest.
We're gonna give you guys a participation trophy.
Yeah, we showed up, and the wiring harness is my own homebrewed setup, so we're not gonna catch that on fire. So at least the car will either blow up the rotary engine or run the whole weekend.
It's not a Rob Dahm car if the hood lines up perfect.
Giving me a workout. It's such a tall first gear. But I'm happy to say that the rotary engine has just enough torque to do this. I wanted this moment so badly. We're finally here at LS Fest running. This time the wiring harness is not the problem. It feels good. It feels good. This is 2 years in the making. Weirdest way of getting back to this point, but I am proud to be in LS Fest jail. Look at we've got the timing going, still sitting over there. Oh my gosh. Everybody's been asking to be fired up, and you can barely hear this car. It's running right now, even though you hear all the LSs all out there. So I'll do a real quick few steps just to show them that. It's got a little quiet voice, but it makes some sound. I'm gonna go pee. We're out here at LS Fest on the second day, so this is Saturday, and it's very clear that it is the weekend. There are tons of people here. It's really awesome. We just got done revving it and showing people that anti-lag is working, but we are going to race today, and the goal is to race to get out of jail with absolutely no intention of getting out of jail. So we are going to use our best foot forward and put the front tires from the 4-rotor on the rear wheels of this car. Both the fronts and the rears are meant for a Corvette, but I don't want to use the rear ones because that's almost too much traction, and this is a little baby engine. So we're gonna go ahead and swap those tires now. Mind you, if you remember the all-wheel drive burnout, we actually swapped these tires onto that car because they're a little more dry rotted. So hopefully this will give us some more traction without breaking Corvette parts, because this is still a bone stock Z06 from the bell housing back. No axles, no nothing. So hopefully that part of the car holds up as well.
This is some good stuff, you know. One race can block, one time use, you know, so reusable. They even got my own tread pattern put in there from the front fenders. So that's gonna give us more grip right there. I'll tell you that right now.
Okay. I think she needs to go down a little.
I'm not gonna lie. That actually looks really good, but it should, because those Forge Stars are meant for this car. That's kind of the point of them. Those aren't ET Street Rs like I normally run, but they're still awesome tires. And to be honest, on the drag strip, there's plenty of VHT or whatever other 3-letter acronyms for different things to keep your traction together. We're gonna be doing a real hard system test when we go to test it the very first run. Finally, we are free from LS Fest jail, only because of timing. We had to be let out legally. The event was a blast. The wind ruined our chances of doing the drag racing. We put the new wheels on and everything. But you know what? The car runs. It's a beautiful day. Everything's great. So many great people. So this is just a wonderful event. It really shouldn't even be called LS Fest. It should just be called like Engine Swapping Fest. Everybody here is just so badass with all that stuff and all the fabrication. I could go on. And I genuinely love this stuff. So huge thanks to Holly for having me out. Huge thanks to everybody who stopped by here and to talk to me while I was in jail. So I think next year we're gonna have to take it up one more notch.